Hi, I'm William from Cybertuck Co. and today I'll be showing you some of our new products for Cybertuck. This is what's included in your Cybertuck kit. Each bar is sold separately. In the kit you'll have a hardware to mount it with, and you'll have these two beautiful billet machine standoffs. Now I'm going to be showing you how to install one of your heavy duty bar kits. So you have these little flip up lids here. You put some pressure in the middle and release the door like that, and then simply drop in your standoff. These are the recommended tools you're going to use to install these crossbars. We have a sharp object to be able to guide the locking nut into place. We have a 10mm socket. This happens to be a Craftsman. And we have an Allen socket that's 5/32 or 4mm. Once you've popped off the little door, you drop your standoff into place and you select the nylon locking nuts and use this to guide them into place like so. Once guided into place, then you simply tighten them down. Hand tight is all you need because they are nylon locking nuts, so they won't back out. For the next step, take your bar, drop in 2 T-nuts into the outer rails. Now there's a little ledge on the T-nut. Make sure that's facing upward or towards the head of the bolt. And position the bar in place. Once you've positioned the bar in place, take the sharp object and center up your T-nuts and drop in some of these 1/4 1/2" screws. Now we go to the other side. So now we are on the other side, and basically take your standoff. Don't forget to put your T-nuts in place, drop it into position, and add the fasteners. Use your sharp object to position these nylon nuts into place. Center the bar and your T-nut. Now you can tighten all 8 fasteners, this side and the other side. And these are some of the accessories we have for our heavy duty crossbars. We have this platform that allows you to mount a spare tire, and it has these heavy duty tie down eyelets along with this tire strap. And this is our MOLLE panel we offer for our crossbar kit. It allows you to mount rotor packs and max tracks and a variety of items to your bars. And this is our riser kit to allow you to mount fold out tents or any other heavy objects to your crossbars. These basically mount into the channels like that and give you a flat surface. These units come with multiple variety of mounting options, and they can be modified to suit your needs. With our lighting kit, you'll be able to adapt a 12-volt light to the existing electronics in your 48-volt Cybertuck. We recommend Baja Designs. With the wiring solution we offer, you'll be able to use your Tesla built-in switch under outlets and mods, and there it is. You have light.